Hello, my name is Sarah Siggs and I am the author of Mudboy. Beautifully illustrated by Amy Crosby with some fantastic notes at the back from Dr. Pookie Knightsmith. So, Anti-Bullying Week is on the way and I thought I would pop up here and share with you some of the things that I use when I go into schools to talk about Mudboy. At the beginning of the book, you will see that Sam is holding a beach ball. Now, we included that because we wanted beach balls to be used as a way of talking about what happy and sad might look like, and how powerful our words are. So we have the power with our words to make somebody feel like this or like this. So that pretty much speaks for itself. So I'll leave that there. Something else I always take into school with me is this. This is mud dough. Now I have a really foolproof recipe for this, and I'll either add it to my Twitter, which is @Siggs, and my Instagram is 55iggs. Maybe I'll put it on the JKP website for you too. Really worth making some of this. It is a really good way of talking about how mean mud words, how heavy they can be, what they feel like. If you could see words, mean mud words, what they would feel like. Many teachers grab a lump of dough, give it to children, get them to make letters spelling out mean words, then scrunch it all back up and think of some kind words or a kind word. So that's a really useful thing to you to use in your classrooms. In the story of Mudboy, the cat doesn't have a name, and that is because I wanted the reader to feel like the cat belonged to them. So I think if I had a class right now, I would be, during circle time, using something called cat time. So maybe come and talk, come and tell. I think that would be a really good thing. And I would use a puppet. I think that puppets are a really great way of enabling children to feel confident to share things that otherwise they might not. So that's a great thing to use. Mudboy takes 10 minutes to read. It's a fantastic resource for assembly, a whole school assembly. Now, when we were putting the book together, we wanted to make sure that it was accessible from reception right the way through to year 6. And the feedback from teachers and from heads has been that that is the case. There is something for every child in this book. Sometimes children don't always know what bullying is, and they don't get the help that they need early enough because of that. So Mudboy is a really useful book as a pre-bullying book, if you like, that hopefully actually enables children to not bully, and if they are being bullied, to get the help that they need quickly. I'm guessing at the moment, I mean, I'm not able to go into schools at the moment, so I can't see, but I'm guessing that you're spending time, lots of time in classes together. And the theme for this year's Anti-Bullying Week is United Against Bullying. I think it's lovely to think of your class or your bubble as being like a tribe, a team together, everyone watching out for each other. And something that I think would be a lovely thing to do, and I've suggested before now, is to make a playlist. At the beginning of the book, Sam, it says that the sound of Sam's life was like the best piece of music you have ever heard. So why not put together a playlist of everyone's favourite piece of music? I think mine would probably be Mr. Blue Sky, and have that playing in the background when you can, and it's, as I say, gives a feeling of being united. So let's all stay united against bullying, and hopefully if you're looking for a book, you will have a look at the JKP website, because there's Mudboy, but there are also some books on there that are appropriate for secondary schools. So have a good look at what you can get, what resources, what charities are doing as well. There are lots of free things that you can get from charities, and I really recommend that you go all out this anti-bullying week. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.